Sinimulan na ng House Ad Hoc Committee on the Bangsamoro ang pagtalakay sa panukalang Bangsamoro Basic Law. Ito ang magpapatupad sa kasunduang pangkapayapaan sa pagitan ng pamahalaan at ng Moro Islamic Liberation Front o MILF. Sinabi ni Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process Teresita Deles na haharap sa constitutional challenges ang panukala sa pagtatanong ng mga kongresista. Gayunman, sinabi na ni Bangsamoro Transitional Authority Chairman Mohagher Iqbal na hindi dapat mangamba ang mga kongresista sa maling akala ng pagkawatak ng bansa sa pagsasabata sa Bangsamoro Basic Law. Samantala, sinusulong naman ni Congressman Rufus Rodriguez ang higit pang konsultasyon sa MNLF at MILF.
Throughout all of the briefings, throughout all of this process, the GPH and the MILF will continue to speak as one. And we hope, therefore, that you will understand and appreciate when sometimes questions are asked that we do not immediately answer and consult with each other. We are still learning how to do it in a really collective way, with due respect to each other. So sometimes we may not be...
So is the sum of our hopes and dreams. It may mean nothing to you, but it is the whole world to us. It is what we got. It is what we only have. We implore you then to step lightly on these dreams when you discuss the draft law. Do not trample them. Celebrate them. Welcome them. This is my request and appeal to the honorable men and women of this House. Let me, however, warn you of people who would want to sow fear instead of hope in your hearts and in the hearts of the Filipino people. Their aim is to stop the establishment of the Bangsamoro, and for this, they will take advantage of the deeply held biases and prejudices of the people. They will use the words like dismemberment of the Republic, sell out, violation of the Constitution, surrender, state within a state, and even apply for eventual independence. So to all of this, we say, be not afraid. To the Filipino people, be not afraid. Instead of dismemberment of the Republic, the Bangsamoro will further unite our peoples. There shall be no state within a state. The Philippine state shall remain sovereign. We only ask that we be allowed to govern ourselves. You shall see the Philippine flag and hear the national anthem sung in our schools and offices. Be not afraid of the Constitution. There are enough flexibilities in it to solve this problem. We only need to look for it.